Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I've got another healthy recipe for you, a 100% rice bread, no flour or wheat. In my last video, many of you mentioned that you're allergic to beans, so I thought I'd try something new with rice instead. This bread is super versatile. Enjoy it with egg sauce, butter, or anything you like. Let's jump straight into the recipe. First, you'll need 2 cups of rice. You can use any kind, like long grain rice. After measuring the rice, give it a good wash. If you don't wash your rice, let me know in the comments why and what benefits you get from skipping this step. After washing, soak the rice overnight or for at least 6 hours. Soaking softens the rice, making it easier to blend and breaks down some starches, making the bread more digestible. It also activates enzymes that help break down proteins and carbs, boosting the nutrition. Here's what the rice looks like after soaking overnight. It's nice and soft. Your blender will have an easy time with it. Drain out the excess water, but leave just a bit to help with blending. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to share the video and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer. To avoid making the mixture too watery, start by adding half a cup of water to the rice and blend. If it's still thick, add another half cup of water. The mixture should be smooth but not runny. Once it's blended, it's time to add your ingredients. I'm using 2 tablespoons of ground nut oil, but feel free to use any oil you prefer. I'm also adding a pinch of sea salt, about half a teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon of yeast, plus 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can substitute sugar with your favorite sweetener or skip it entirely. Blend everything for about 30 seconds. Now, transfer the batter to a greased baking pan. Grease it with butter, or you can line it with parchment paper. This prevents the bread from sticking to the pan. Here's the key step. Let the batter sit and rise until it doubles in size. If it doesn't double, let it rise for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. This part is so important for getting that perfect texture. Once it's risen, sprinkle a little water on top before baking. This prevents it from overflowing as it rises in the oven. And here's the result. The bread will have a nice golden color and some cracks on top, but that's totally fine. The texture of the bread can depend on the type of rice you use, but I recommend long grain, basmati, or any good quality rice. Slice it up and enjoy. You can serve this with tea, fried eggs, butter, whatever you like. My kids loved it, and I'm sure you will too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye!